Hey, welcome friends to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa, and the other day I done a tutorial on the All Occasions photo folio, and I didn't have my design paper picked out that I was going to use, so I thought I'd pop on here and show you what paper line that I am using and to show you how to put those waterfalls on. So I'm using Simple Stories, The Story of Us 12 by 12 collection. And I already cut my paper. So how I determine what my size of my paper is, I just measure. So that's 7 3/4. So I'll cut my paper at 7 1/2 because I want an 1/8 of an inch border around all the sides. And that's something that's just totally up to you guys. And it's 9 1/2, so 9 1/4. So I cut my paper 7 1/2 by 9 1/4. And it just fits there. And then I just attached my score pile tape. And the reason I use score pile tape on this inside because we're attaching a waterfall to it, and it will have a lot of weight to it, so I want to make sure that it's going to stay stuck down. And then I'm just attaching some more tape on the inside like that. And then I'm going to ink my edges, guys. I always ink my edges to try and it gets rid of that white edge. Plus it just kind of antiques the paper just a little bit. Because where you cut it, sometimes you can see a white edge. Now this, you know, it has white on it, but if you had black, then you would see a white edge where you cut. Okay. I'll take my score pile tape off. But I thought I'd better come on and show you how I attach my waterfall, so you guys can see that, because doing a waterfall sometimes can be a little tricky, and not all the time do I get mine straight. Okay. Alrighty. So I always have to turn mine to the side. And I just kind of line it up where I think it's straight. And you can use a ruler if you want to, but I just usually line mine up and roll with it. Take my score pile tape off. Then I grab my next one. And I want it to butt up right up against this one. Okay. And then I fold that one down and holding it to make sure I'm all lined up. I'm lined up here and here. When I'm lined up, I pull that one back, hold it down, take my score pile tape off. Okay, and grab my next one, do the same thing. I just line it up, hold this down, it's lined up, hold it down, and take your score pile tape off. Now the first time you do this, it may not be as easy as what I'm making it look, because I've done it for a long time. So I'm making it look easy. It may not be quite as easy for you. And then if you get off just a little, just fix it. Hold it down. Like I said, you can always fix it with paper up here, or you can just pull it up just a hair. And this one here, I just pulled it up just a hair, just to cover so my paper, underneath paper, doesn't come through. Okay? Because sometimes when you score, it may not, you know, if you have your paper not quite right, that it will be off just a little bit. So just line it up. Pick it back up. Hold it down, take your score pile tape off. And our last one. So I just kind of hold it there. And this is the easiest way I have found to do this. There may be an easier way out there, I don't know, but this is the way that I do it. Okay, there's your waterfall. Excuse me. One thing when you do a waterfall, a lot of times I don't decorate the back, because what happens is we've got 6 of these. You attach your pictures to here, you're going to start getting a little bit of a bulk. That's why I increased the spine to 1/2 inch to give you just a little bit more room. I mean, I'll decorate all the fronts, and I might, you know, maybe on the 3rd one, decorate with a paper. It's just totally up to you guys, however you want to do it. I mean, you can stick, you know, like a little card here, and then a photo go here, or you can, you know, stick a little piece of design paper here. Let's see if I've got a little piece of paper to kind of show you. You know, you could stick a piece of design paper just right here, and then your photo go here. You can do that even on the back too. Just use up your scrap pieces of paper. I mean, it adds a little bit of color to it, or dimension. Let me see if I can find. So you could just cut your paper like that, and see your photo would go like that. Now see? And that doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. So you could do stuff like that. Okay? Alrighty. That's how I attached my waterfall on here. And it just closes up like that. And there's your folio, guys. Just like that. So, hey, if you guys want me to come on and do a video of how I decorate this with the rest of the paper, hey, just put it in the comments below, and I will do that for you guys. So if you like this, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. And this is the waterfall and the all occasions photo folio. So hey, you guys have a blessed day and keep scrapping. Bye bye.